Hey, it's AP, and today we're making some lawn witches. Check it out. My front yard was looking a bit lonely this Halloween. All right, maybe not so much, but I did want to up the creep factor this year to really freak out my neighbors. So I decided to make some lawn witches. This is an easy one-day DIY project that you can absolutely get the kids involved with. It only requires a few simple tools and a bunch of things that you can just pick up at your local home center. Some recycled goods around your house like milk jugs and those Amazon packages that have been looking for a place to be recycled but you haven't figured out what to do with yet, so you just kind of have a big stack of them hiding in your closet somewhere until they take over the closet. Well, I found something for you to do with those packages. You're welcome. All right, let's rewind and I'll take you down to the shop and show you how I made them. The bones of my witches are 1-inch PVC pipe. You can get these in 10-foot lengths at your home center. I cut them down to 5 feet and then cut 2 pieces for the shoulder at 6 inches and a neck piece at about 2 inches. To keep everything nice and secure, glue the pipes and joints all together. And now you have your basic structure. All right, now that we have everything cut down, I can start adding the padding or the stuffing to give this some dimension. So you can use whatever you want for this. You could probably use spray foam. I'm trying to use materials that I have around the house. So I have, as probably do lots of you, have all of these single-use mailing packages from Amazon. And we collect them and then we drop them off, you know, once every quarter or so to our recycling place. So I have a bunch of these sitting around. This is perfect stuffing. So instead of sending it off to the recycling center, you can reuse it for your Halloween project. I don't think I have enough for 3 of these, but I certainly have enough for 1 of them. You could also use old clothes. You could use, if you wanted to go old school, you could use straw, like a scarecrow. But whatever you use, try to do something that's environmentally friendly, like recycling all of your Amazon packages. I created a skin with one of the larger bags. However, in hindsight, I wish I had just used a black trash bag instead, since the white packaging showed through my witch dress. So just something to keep in mind. We'll fix that later. To shape the body, I used black gaffer's tape. You can also use black duct tape. Whatever you use, just make sure it's black. To create the head, I used 1-gallon milk jugs. I'm going to light these with some battery-powered LEDs, so I cut a section out of the back that I'll be able to use as an access point. What's also great about using these milk jugs is that they just screw right onto this PVC male adapter and it stays on pretty good. I'm using black sheer curtains to create the witch's dress. Starting with the head, I'm just wrapping the milk jug and tying a knot around the neck. I decided to make some arms with armature wire, just so I could pose them a tiny little bit. This is by no means a great way to get full articulation. It's only to assist in adding some more dimension to the witch. And we finish off the head by hot gluing on the hat. All right, at this point I need to stand them up on their stakes so I can do a proper draping. Otherwise, I'm going to be kind of dressing them laying down and it's going to be awkward and weird, much like that statement. But yeah, so let's go pound some stakes into the ground and stand these up so I can finish draping them, and then we can throw some lights in here. Let's go upstairs. Oh, before I do that, the witches are held up with a 5-foot wooden garden stake. These are a tight fit in the 1-inch PVC, so I needed to sand them down so they slide in easier. All right, now we can stand them up. If I were to do this again, I'd probably do a heavier fabric for the dress. I literally just wrapped the fabric around the body until I felt it looked like a dress, using black cable ties to hold it all together and in place. I wrapped the bottom of the PVC pipe with some black gaffer's tape and add a remote-controlled battery-operated LED puck, and we're ready to freak out the neighbors. Now my Dementors have some lady friends to hang out with at night while my neighbors stay awake with the screams of the cursed and the damned. You're welcome. Did this video inspire you to create your own witches? Well, let me know in the comments below. Did you try something different? Did you see something that I did that you didn't necessarily agree with? Or you have a way to make it better next time? Well, let me know that in the comments below as well. We love to learn from each other here at the channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that like button and share this video with a friend if you think that they will appreciate the creation of these magnificent witches. And also hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing. It does help the channel to grow, and I do appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.